I don't need you to love you. Yeah. And I'm not saying this thing in a sense of just romantic love. Any kind of love, any kind of love. Okay? I don't need you to love you. We have a habit, no, when people get out of our life because of any reason. And अगर कुछ बुरा करके गए हैं तो हमें गुस्सा आएगा उन पे. And we'll be like, I hate you. I just hate you. I do not want to see you never ever in my life. I understand that feeling. But the point is not that here. The love you had for them, past tense use करियो, ठीक है? The love you had for them, was it because how they treated you? Maybe some part of it, yeah. But you felt connected with them, and that's why you love them. एंड अभी जो कुछ बुरा किए हो या कुछ भी सिचुएशन हो, तुम्हें उनके प्रति नफरत भी नहीं बोलेंगे बट अच्छा फील भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो तुम उनसे क्या प्यार करना छोड़ दोगे? ऑब्वियसली नहीं. Love is not a fleeting energy that just come and goes away. Love is something so eternal that it never goes away. No matter how things turns out, it never goes away. How can my love for someone just die away in a nanosecond just because they did something? Obviously, I will not talk to that person ever again in my life. But I can't hate them either, to be honest. I will forever love them. I'll forever cherish them. The time we spent, it was all real. It was not fake. And I'm not holding on to any memory that is not serving me. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I will not love them. Love them from a space क्योंकि I don't need them to love them, right? Love is eternal. Love sets you free. And you know, it is very important ना, जब लोग तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी से जाते हैं, release them from a space of love. It's really, really important to releasing them from a space of love. क्योंकि इस स्पेस से अगर तुम किसी को रिलीज करोगे ना, यू विल फाइंड पीस. उनका मुझे नहीं पता बट यू विल फाइंड पीस इन योर सेल्फ. रिजेंटमेंट रखोगे तो तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं खुद को तकलीफ पहुंचते रहेगी. लव देम इवन दे डिड समथिंग बैड टू यू. लव देम एंडलेसली. सेंड देम लव बट डोंट हेट एनीबडी. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू सर्व यू. Just love them with your whole heart and just let the things the way they are. Surrender the things that you can't change or don't have clarity about. Let them the way they are. Some things are meant to be unfold when the time comes. And you forcing the things won't do anything. It will only irritate you at the end of the day. So let the things the way they are. Love them the way you used to do them without hoping anything in return. क्योंकि love is more than that. Love is without any expectation. It's such a broad term. मतलब love को explain करना is so hard for me, to be honest. You know, love is something, and for anything, love for anything मैं बोल रही हूँ. Not only anything that you are, एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के लिए नहीं, सब चीज़ के लिए, लिविंग नॉन लिविंग एनीथिंग. लव इज सच अ ब्रॉड टर्म ना. कुछ 2-3 दिन पहले I had a realization, and that feeling I just can't put it in words. It was so profound. The thing about love, it's beyond everything. And for me, to be honest ना, जो भी इमोशन है, गुस्सा, अच्छा, बुरा, खराब, पता नहीं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ, बट it all comes down to a center point, that is love. It's beyond what you understand, to be honest, and it's beyond what I understand also. Love, it's more than profound, more than anything. And the unconditional love, the pure form of love, is crazy, crazy beautiful. And some things are meant to be experienced and not explained. And I wish you get to a point where you can feel what I'm feeling about this term love. Okay, it's so profound, trust me. I can't explain this feeling. This is so pure, this is beyond everything. This is beyond everything. And doing things from a space of love just makes me feel happy, blissful. और ये मैं थक के हार गई, मेरे अंदर कुछ क्षमता नहीं बचा है, इसलिए मैं उन्हें जाने दे रही हूँ, ये सब एनर्जीज नहीं है ये. नॉट एट ऑल. इट्स लव एंड जस्ट लव एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. Breathe in, breathe out. Pure, pure, pure. Just pure. Pure bliss. It's so beautiful to be in this state. Trust me, my love. Trust me. No amount of anything can make you feel this way. Only connecting with yourself, making yourself aligned with the higher consciousness, can make you feel this kind of blissfulness. It's beyond what you can even imagine. It's beyond what you have ever experienced. It's beyond that. This state of love towards this world, beyond this world, is so pure and just sweet as honey. It's beautiful. I hope you also experience this kind of emotions. And मुझे आंखें खोलने का मन नहीं कर रहा. I am feeling so relaxed, so beautiful. Love. It's beautiful. And to be honest, I should have started my video with explaining different thing. क्योंकि मैं जो बोलना चाहती थी was not related to any kind of betrayal या feeling या human beings जिंदगी में आए जाए. But I don't know why I started like that. But yeah, let's just keep it this way. It's beautiful. Bye. Connect with yourself. Do meditation. It's worth doing. It's worth doing. The way that you're living right now, the part doing party and just doing your thing monotonously is, I'm not, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही कि वो खराब चीज़ें, मैं भी करती हूँ अपना चीज़ें, मैं भी पार्टी करती हूँ, मैं भी मस्ती करती हूँ, सब करती हूँ. But include this one thing in your life, meditation. It's worth doing it. It's worth doing it. It's worth doing it, you idiot. Do it. It's so blissful. एंड तुम ऐसा फील नहीं करोगे तो ज़रूरी नहीं है मुझे कुछ हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. मुझे मेरा जैसा फील हो रहा है वो ऐसे ही रहेगा. बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस फीलिंग, दिस इमोशन इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. क्योंकि तुम जो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो वो भी किया है मैंने, मैं जो एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ ये भी किया है मैंने, और इसके बीच वाला एक्सपीरियंस सब कुछ किया है मैंने. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं हवा हवा में बातें कर रही हूँ. So do it. Bye. I love you. Take care. And don't forget to spread love, peace, and kindness. And you have any questions, and even if you have any kind of problem, just comment it down in the comment section. And yeah, bye. I love you.